there is a particular situation which has come on our radar this morning, one that I have to pay careful attention to, because it throws up something that we're always contending with, Mark, in our society. The unequalness of the society, the haves and the have-nots. Why is it that some people are allowed to party and others are not? The unequal nature of the society. And this government has a duty to ensure that the law is equally applied, both to those who have not and those who have. So read from my statement what you will. Government will have to ensure that it was not complicit in any breach of its own law, and I have asked for a report, and my own investigations will be conducted. And the various arms of the state that have a duty to ensure the equal application of the law, I am expecting that they will move in that direction to ensure that if there is any breach, that the full application of the law will be guaranteed.